Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about CurlMix. CurlMix just came out with a brand new shampoo and conditioner, and if you don't know what CurlMix is, you are definitely missing out. CurlMix is a curly hair wonderful product brand, and I love all of their products because they just, look at my hair. Soft, bouncy, defined, volume every time I use it. So CurlMix just came out with their shampoo and conditioner. They already had the flaxseed gel and the leave-in conditioner that I have already used. Those are the two products I had used from them prior to this video, and I already loved both of those products, so I knew that just had to love the shampoo and conditioner. So I was excited to try that. So really quickly, I'm gonna go through the steps that I did, and then I will roll the video and you guys will see how I styled my hair and see the results. These are the results, but you'll see the before and after. So first step, I shampooed my hair with the new pure aloe vera shampoo from CurlMix. This is a clarifying shampoo that removes buildup. Now I have low porosity hair and my hair gets a lot of buildup. I believe that's because it's low porosity. I'm not an expert, but I do get a lot of buildup, and it's with regular shampoos, like I have to kind of scrub really hard. With this one, my scalp was super itchy. It was full of buildup, and I shampooed once and I was just like, it was like amazing relief to my scalp. I love it. And it has aloe vera, which I love aloe vera. Aloe vera is so good for your skin. It's good for your hair. It's good for the insides. If you drink it, it tastes nasty, but if you drink it, it's so good for you, like so good. The one thing that I love about these CurlMix products is I love to read the label, because you can see all of the ingredients. It's not that many of them, and it explains each one. So aloe vera leaf juice, obviously it doesn't need to explain that because I know what that is. But there's one sodium cocoyl isethionate. I don't know what that is, but it says in parentheses right underneath it that it's a plant-based cleansing agent. So it explains everything. I really like that. It's a very organic brand. I don't know, you're just able to like examine and look at everything. I really like that about CurlMix. The next thing that I really like is that it gives you, on each bottle, it gives you all the directions, not just for the shampoo. Like usual, the bottle will have all the directions for what to do with the shampoo, and then it'll say follow up with our blah blah blah. But this one gives you all the directions for you to have a bomb wash and go with all of their products. So I'm going to read you the directions real quick, and then I'll move on to the conditioner. Step 1, shampoo your hair and scalp with the pure aloe vera shampoo, which is what I did. Step 2, condition your hair by adding the pure grapeseed conditioner to each section. Detangle hair with a comb or brush. I did that as well. Step 3, on soaking wet hair in a steaming shower, second your hair and apply a nickel-sized amount of pure avocado moisturizer per section. That's the leave-in. Now for this video, I did it in front of the camera and I applied the products, but I did find the first time that I used it, I used it in the shower, and I did find that I got such beautiful results by using it. It was so much easier to do my hair by using it in the shower. Excuse me. So I used the leave-in right in the shower before I even got out, and it was so much easier to do my hair. I got a lot less frizz, so I feel like that's the way to go, especially if they're telling you to do that. Step 4, apply a nickel-sized amount of the pure flaxseed gel. Finger comb your curls to distribute the gel and allow your hair to clump and curl properly. Avoid combs and brushes during the stage. The reason why they're telling you that is because when the flaxseed gel dries up, it kind of gets harder, and you don't want to break through your hair by combing through that. You know what I mean? At least I think that's what they're saying, but hands off, don't disturb the defined curls while they dry. Step 5, blow dry or diffuse your curls to properly set your hair for a longer lasting style. Wear a bonnet at night to preserve your curls for 3 to 5 days. Share your results and tag us for a repost, which I've done, and I've gotten reposted. Go check out their page because they're awesome. And it gives you another tip. Oh, it gives you 2 tips. Tip 1, use a small towel to scrunch over saturated sections. If you've applied too much, do not leave clumps of product in your hair. Tip 2, air drying results in a more shrunken style. If you hope to elongate your curls, use a drying tool such as a blow dryer or diffuser. Now I always diffuse my hair because I feel like with air drying I don't get as much volume, and I'm loving volume. I live for it right now, and it's so much faster than sitting down and waiting for my hair to dry. When I do sit down and wait for my hair to dry, it's usually like on a weekend when I don't have a lot to do, and then at the end I will use the diffuser to kind of give myself some volume before I fluff my hair. So the shampoo really did wow me. Usually in collections, when I get the whole collection and use it, the shampoos, I don't pay that much attention to it, but this one just clarified my hair so easily that I can't help but like love it. I love it. And it smells like lavender. It doesn't smell like the fake like store-bought like lavender that you'll find in certain ingredients. This smells like authentic lavender that I use. I usually roll lavender here and on my wrist when I'm going to bed. I roll it on my kids. I will diffuse it on my essential oil diffusers. This is what this smells like, so I really love that. Moving on to step 2. Step 2 is the Pure Grapeseed Conditioner, and this is a hydrating conditioner with ultra slip. Again, it's a lavender fragrance, which I love. This one doesn't smell as lavendery as the shampoo, but it still smells great. Same thing with the ingredients. It explains the ones that you wouldn't know, and it has the same exact directions as the shampoo conditioner. Leave-in, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. They all have the same instructions. This conditioner is very thick, and I thought at first like, ooh, it's very thick. Sometimes I don't like thick conditioners. I feel like it doesn't have as much slip in my hair, but this one has a lot of slip, and I loved it. It actually worked really well. My hair, I was able to detangle my hair pretty quickly with it, and so yeah, I was able to detangle my hair pretty quickly with it. It was a little hard to get out of the bottle just because it's so thick. Like, look, I have it upside down and it's not going down, and I would go like, and it wouldn't come down. So I had to kind of keep it while I was shampooing my hair, keep it upside down, and then I did take this off and squeezed it out. So that's the only problem I had with it. But other than that, loved it. Loved it. Very moisturizing. Love the slip. It does have that ultra slip like it says. Step 3 is my absolute favorite. I will use this by itself as a one and done. I don't know. It leaves my hair so like feeling so great even by itself, just with nothing else. This is the Pure Avocado Moisturizer with organic jojoba oil, and it is the lavender fragrance as well. Here it says step 3. The first 3 ingredients are amazing, and you know that when you look at a product, let's say it says it has avocado oil or jojoba oil or whatever, and then you look at the ingredients and it's like the last ingredient in the bottom. The lower the ingredient on the list, I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but the lower the ingredient on the list, the less of it that there is in the actual product. The higher up that the ingredient is on the list, the more of that product that there actually is in the product, the more of that ingredient that there actually is in the product, if that makes sense to you. So the first 3 ingredients is purified water, organic jojoba oil, and avocado butter. So you already know that this is going to be ultra moisturizing, and it doesn't say on here, but it has so much slip. It leaves my hair super smooth, and you know when you have that slip when you're styling your hair, you know your curls are going to be bomb. That's what this gives me. That's what this gives me. And this one, let me see, because I can't even remember the smell. I just love to use it. This one smells kind of just like the conditioner. Not as lavendery as the shampoo, but still smells great. Now I've used this one. This is the moisturizing one. I love it. This is my second time using this one. I've used the green one. I forget what it has in it, but it is the soften one. The green line is the soften line. And I love that one too. I love it so much. Last step number 4, is the Pure Flaxseed Gel with organic jojoba oil, lavender fragrance as well, because I have the whole lavender line. This one, let me smell. This one smells kind of way more lavendery. This one smells kind of like the shampoo. Not as much as the shampoo, but a little bit more like the shampoo, and not like the conditioners. This one also has the same directions as the other products, but the ingredients are listed a little bit differently. It doesn't have like the explanation like the other ones. The other ones were listed in a list. This one has the founder's story on here, and it has the ingredients. So ingredient number 2 is organic brown flaxseed Ingredient number 3 is organic jojoba oil. Ingredient number 4 is marshmallow root extract. Any product with marshmallow root extract is going to give you so much slip. I feel I've used other products with that ingredient, and every one of those products has a great amount of slip. So overall, love this gel. It gives you a cast, and then when you scrunch it out, your curls are so free and like voluminous. It doesn't stay. That cast just flies away, and you're left with beautiful looking curls. At least I am. So the flaxseed gel, I think, was their first product. This is how they started, CurlMix. And from there they grew on to the leave-in conditioner, and then now the shampoo and conditioner. And I feel like they have probably a serum and something else, but all the products that I've used, I love them. So the really good news is that the CurlMix shampoo and conditioner launches today on the CurlMix website. I'll have the links in the description box below. Click it. And if you're actually going to buy these products and you want 10% off, use Melly's Curls as your discount code. You'll get 10% off. You won't regret it. You'll get the whole set and have bomb curls. Now let's roll that footage of me styling my hair. You'll see the before and after. You guys let me know what you think in the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next video.